Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today we are going to be playing with some foils, like such. In this color, the polish that is one of Sinful's Naughty Nudes. This is in the shade Nude Wood 2626. Hope you can see that. This is really pretty. Let me turn down the TV. Nice plum color with a slight gold shimmer with some gold foils. On my other nail, I'm going to put a sticky base on it to help the foils adhere to the nail. I'm assuming you can use regular polish because that's what I did on the other nail. This one I'm going to use the sticky base coat by ProFX that I got for $3 at Walmart. Sorry, I didn't know I wasn't in frame. $3 at Walmart on clearance. Great deal. So here I am just going to take little bits of this foil. Ouch. And lay it on the nail. Let me move this over so this can be seen. Sorry about that. You can lay this down at any design you want on the nail. I don't know, tap it down, I guess, because it will slightly stick up. Just take little bits. So you have any place on the nail you want, any shape, as much as you want, as little as you want, however you want. This foil is really super thin, tears really easy, and there you go. That's all you gotta do. And what do you think? I think it's really cute. It's something very, very simple to do. I am going to top coat it with my ProFX Quick Drying Top Coat that I also bought at Walmart. I've had this one for a while. Found out about ProFX from Moon Baby Nails. She uses the products, and I think they're great products. I really do. And there we go. We are done. Something so simple can look so elegant, and I just love that it's really super easy to do. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments below what you think, if you've done this before, if this is your first time seeing this little trick here. If this is your first time viewing my channel, welcome. Please subscribe and click the bell so you get notified of all future videos. I hope that you will come back. To my current subscribers, glad that you're here. I appreciate your support. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.